How hard can the murderdrones bite? Well, let's find out. To explain how this happened, I was just hanging out with my friend the other day. Let's call him Alan Grant. Me and Grant chatted a bit, talked about how hard the murderdrones could maybe bite.
And look at the half-moon-shaped bones on the wrist. It's no wonder these guys learn how to fly.
I asked him if he wanted to help out. He told me he didn't mind doing the whole thing, since he had nothing to do anyways. So, I said thank you, and we went to work. I say we, but I'm gonna be honest, he did most of it. But to at least help out a bit, I sent him images of Maid J, don't cut that out of context, and told him the height of her so we can know the size of the chain, as well as seeing the coloring of it as shown in episode 5. Episode 5, right? Yeah, episode 5. And after a bit of analysis, he concluded that the closest IRL chain would be the grade 43 A13 chain, composed of carbon steel. And after some calculations, the force at which the chain breaks in tension, aka units of N, is divided by the area of two cross-sections of single link, in units of millimeters. So, after all that, he concluded that the biforce would be close to, drumroll please, 60,000 psi. To put that into perspective, the human skull needs 1400 psi to break, and for more, a killer whale has 19,000 psi. For a Nile crocodile, 5,000 psi. And even the megalodon, with an estimated around 40,000 psi, is still 20,000 short. That's right, the murderdrones can bite harder than a megalodon. Who knew? And if you're curious, a T-Rex has a bite force of around 8,000 to 12,000 psi. Thank you, Alan, a lot to help me for this, and thanks so much for watching. That's all for today, and I'm out. Or should I say we are out? Ah, dang it.